We have some big news coming in here. Suspense over Mithun Chakravarti's political game plan. Bengal BJP in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya says that he spoke to Mithun and he wanted to meet with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Here's Mithun Chakravarti. Whether or not he's going to be taking the political plunge, we're still looking at an answer coming out. Kailash Vijayvargiya, Bengal BJP in charge, even had spoken to Mithun Chakravarti and said that he wanted to meet with Prime Minister Modi. Let's take a listen.
मिथुन दा से मेरी बात हुई है टेलीफोन पे। वो कलकत्ता में आने के बाद मुझसे बात करेंगे, जब भी कुछ बोलने की स्थिति में रहूँगा। पर हाँ, उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री जी से मिलने की इच्छा व्यक्त की।
All right, there you have it. Kailash Vijayvargiya, who says that Mithun Chakravarti intends to meet with the Prime Minister. Will he or won't he take the political plunge? Of course, a lot of speculation doing the rounds. Let's quickly cut across to Indrajit Kundu, joining us for more details from Kolkata. Indrajit, superstar from the Easter years, Mithun Chakravarti, all set to take the political plunge. At least that's the feelers that some of the BJP leaders give. Kailash Vijayvargiya says that Mithun da is wanting to meet with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What does it look like?
Well, that's right, Lavila. That is exactly what we are hearing from the BJP. Of course, Kailash Vijayvargiya coming out on record and saying that he has himself spoken to Mithun Chakravarti, a mega star from West Bengal. And this, of course, comes at a time when the BJP, as we all know, is in search of a big face for the party here in West Bengal. They have been looking for a face, and that's the reason why multiple rounds of talks have already taken place with Saurav Ganguly. However, on that front, there hasn't been much of a response from Saurav Ganguly, who has already said that he is not very keen on joining politics or joining the BJP for that matter at this point in time. And therefore, the BJP leaders have been trying to look for other alternatives. And there were several people on the cards. Of course, one of them were superstar Proshenjit from West Bengal, whom several BJP leaders met a few weeks back. Mithun Chakravarti, of course, came into the limelight when Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief, met him at his Mumbai residence. Mithun Chakravarti, in fact, a few weeks back had also been to the RSS headquarters in Nagpur, fueling speculation of his growing proximity to the BJP. And now the BJP, of course, going all out to get Mithun Chakravarti at Prime Minister's Brigade Parade rally tomorrow. So Kailash Vijayvargiya said that he's spoken to Mithun Chakravarti and an all-out effort is being made so that Mithun Chakravarti is present on dais with the Prime Minister during his mega rally in Brigade Parade ground
Remains
tomorrow.
to be seen how that really pans out. Mithun Chakravarti, the Easter years superstar, whether he's going to take the political plunge or not. Of course, a formal statement needs to come out, but he's been given feelers. Kailash Vijayvargiya, BJP's Bengal chief, says that Mithun intends to meet with the Prime Minister.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.